Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. Everything humanity has ever known exists on a tiny world called Earth, a planet with a diameter of about 12,742 kilometers, orbiting one ordinary star in a universe containing more stars than humans could ever individually observe or catalogue. But Earth is only the beginning. If we could travel away from our planet, Earth would quickly disappear into the darkness of space. The oceans, continents, and everything humans have built would become invisible. Eventually, our entire world would become just another tiny object floating through an enormous universe. And compared to what comes next, Earth is almost impossible to comprehend in size. Our planet is part of a much larger system controlled by the Sun. The Sun is a star about 109 times wider than Earth, and it contains approximately 99.8% of all the mass in our solar system. Its gravity controls the paths of planets, moons, asteroids, and comets across billions of kilometers of space. But even the Sun, a star so large that more than 1 million Earths could fit inside it by volume, is only a relatively typical star compared with the countless other stars in the universe. Leaving our solar system behind, the distances between stars become almost impossible to imagine. The closest star system to our own is Alpha Centauri, which includes Proxima Centauri, located about 4.24 light-years away. A light-year is the distance light travels in 1 year, equal to about 9.4 trillion kilometers. Even moving at the speed of light, the fastest speed allowed by our current understanding of physics, reaching Proxima Centauri would take more than 4 years, and that is considered our nearest neighboring star system. Across the Milky Way, the average distances between stars are enormous. Continuing farther outward, we finally begin to see the true scale of the place we call home, the Milky Way galaxy. Our galaxy is a massive collection of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, stretching roughly 100,000 light-years across. It contains hundreds of billions of stars, and somewhere within one of its spiral arms is our solar system. From this distance, Earth is no longer visible. The entire solar system becomes a tiny point inside one enormous galaxy. But the Milky Way is not alone. It belongs to a collection of galaxies called the Local Group. This group contains more than 50 galaxies, including the Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy, our nearest large galactic neighbor. Andromeda is about 2.5 million light-years away, and in several billion years, it is expected to merge with the Milky Way due to their mutual gravitational attraction. But even the Local Group is only a small part of an even larger cosmic structure. Our galaxy and its neighboring galaxies are part of the Laniakea supercluster, a vast region containing many galaxy groups and clusters connected by gravity. Laniakea stretches across hundreds of millions of light-years. Yet even this enormous structure is not the largest thing we can observe. When scientists map the universe on the biggest scales, they discover something remarkable. Galaxies are not spread randomly through space. They form enormous structures called the cosmic web. Across the universe, galaxies gather along vast filaments of matter, creating a network that stretches for hundreds of millions of light-years. Between these filaments are enormous regions called cosmic voids, areas containing far fewer galaxies than average. This is the largest structure pattern we have discovered in the universe. And even after reaching this unimaginable scale, we still have not reached the limit of what we can see, because the universe itself is much larger than the portion we can observe. The observable universe is the region of space from which light has had enough time to reach Earth since the beginning of the universe. Because the universe is expanding, this region is currently estimated to be about 93 billion light-years across. Inside, it are estimated to be hundreds of billions to possibly trillions of galaxies, each containing millions, billions, or even hundreds of billions of stars. Every planet, every star, Every galaxy we have ever observed exists inside this enormous cosmic horizon. But beyond the observable universe, we do not know what exists. The universe may continue far beyond what we can see. It may even be infinite. Scientists continue studying this question, but the true size of the entire universe remains unknown, and that may be the most incredible part. Everything humans have ever experienced, every civilization, every planet, every star we have ever seen, exists on a tiny world around one ordinary star, inside one galaxy, among billions of others, within a universe so large that we have only been able to observe a fraction of it. The journey from Earth to the edge of the observable universe is not just a journey through distance. It is a reminder of how small our place is and how much there is still left to discover.